middle. Kotoko keep the ball to themselves. Gets Lamptey now. He's got space in front of him. Tries to catch through in the middle. That was a mistake. Attacking play from Asante Kotoko, resulting in a corner. Definitely, you don't take that from Kanu Otawa. Great cross from Richmond and he scored against Carlisle with a header, and he's put Kotoko ahead with another great header. Look at that delivery from Richmond and Lamptey. To the middle. This is good. Kotoko away. He knows definitely he was on mark. First touch.
Onto Mukwala, twice takes down. Six is a beautiful offside. Here is Lamptey. Now Mukwala goes past Siraj. Come on, Mukwala cuts it back. And then goal. The equalizer comes for Kotoko. No goal from Suleiman Mohammed. But then Lamptey snaps it all. Brilliant pass. But then good work also from Mukwala. Just goes direct. Here is Lamptey. Kotoko dictating the pace of the game now. A chance for Mukwala. It is Mukwala! From Dese Mukwala. Play of class, but then Lamptey with a vision to find his teammate. And one more that for a finish. Lamptey wants to shoot. Lamptey shoots. It's a Lamptey. Exactly what Kotoko needed. Somebody who can take responsibility and go.
Lamptey. Beautiful play from Lamptey. Now Morrison to Baba. Here is Lamptey. It's Isaac upon. Good build up. Upon is trying to find Aqua. Stripping away possession. Here is Lamptey. Onto the path of Upon. Upon finds Mukwala. Mukwala makes it. But he lost possession cheaply. Then Lamptey quickly from Upon. Upon gets to find Mukwala. The first attempt wasn't good enough, but he followed up and scored on the second attempt. 1-0 Kotoko. Let's see some awareness from Isaac Upon. But Mukwala didn't give up. Lamptey, lovely pass, flag goes up. So that's Mukwala, he's offside. Finds Baba with a beautiful pass. Upon! And then the equalizer! Look at the quality of the pass from Lamptey. Just look at the pass from Lamptey to Baba. Wonderful pass. Baba sees Upon on his left foot, and that's a wonderful goal. That's the whistle to end the first half here at the Baba Era Sports Stadium. Lamptey onto the path of Mukwala, and Osei Sibe has waited and giving the ball away. Here is Mukwala, empty net, and Mukwala scored the third goal. Has no antidote now. The pass from Lamptey was good, but Sibe did well to win the ball. But what was Ayi doing? He should have come earlier. Then he missed. Mukwala sees an empty net.
Bana Babedi, Mukwala wake kama Mukwala pia bana Richmond